खाने में आज क्या बनाएं? फूड लाया है खास आपके लिए आसान रेसिपी।
Hi, I'm Anupa and welcome to this lovely series of the most trending burgers. And it need not be necessary that every burger has to have a good amount of meat into it. If you're a vegetarian, this recipe is all for you. And we're doing this lovely veggie burger and with lots of vegetables. So how do you make it? Let's quickly see it. What I have here is I have a chopper in which I'm going to just put some green peas and some French beans. Now all these vegetables are blanched so that it can retain its color also at the same time. Carrots. So what am I trying to do here is I'm trying to chop them fine. Corn and some cauliflower. So while I pass it through a chopper like this, I get finely chopped mixed vegetables. So while the vegetables are getting chopped, there's something more that you need to add to this. Green chili, a few cloves of garlic and a little bit of ginger. Ginger, garlic and green chili into this. Okay, so I'm done with chopping all the vegetables here. So all of this will now come into the bowl. But what we see right now is that there's enough moisture, or rather there's a little more moisture than what it should be in these vegetables. Firstly, because they have been blanched. Secondly, we definitely cannot have a burger patty with so much of moisture, because when it goes into the oil, it will surely split. So first what we'll do is we'll grate the potatoes into this. So these are again boiled. So there are many ingredients that you can use instead of potatoes. There's one thing that you can use is sweet potatoes. Yes, it is something which is easily available during the winters, but nowadays you find a lot of sweet potato available in the market. You can also use raw bananas. Okay, so we've taken potato, we've taken all the vegetables. We haven't really added any seasoning, so here goes in the salt. I'm adding in some pepper here. Now when you actually sit and mix this, you realize that the mixture is still quite moist. And again, like I said, it's not possible for us to fry a patty with so much of moisture because it's going to split. So now to adjust this moistness, we need to add in something more, and that can be like a slice of bread. You can actually take some bread and just crumble it with your hands like this. White, brown, whatever that you have. Brown bread, in case if you put it like this as fresh, the chances of the tikki turning a little darker brown is quite high, because brown bread by itself is light brown in color. Then you'll fry it, so it will go even more brown. So after you put in the bread, mix it up, let bread absorb all the moisture that's there in the potato and the vegetables. Okay, so the filling for the patty is done. So there's one thing that you have to try before you even start shaping them is take a portion of this, shape it into a ball, press it nicely, roll it in breadcrumbs, press it nicely and just put it in oil. If this splits, which means it's not fine to even go ahead and shape it, it needs more binding. But if it stays like this, look at this, perfect, just exactly how you would want to have your patty for a burger. This is perfectly done, which means our mixture is right. All we have to do now is shape it. Okay, so you take this mixture, now we'll coat it and bring some breadcrumbs on the chopping board. So there's a way to do this. You take a flat spoon, lift this up, turn it down, and here goes the patty. I'm going to place it over the spoon because it becomes easy for me to lower into the oil. So how do you do that? Like this. You have to be very careful when you work in the kitchen. You have to avoid accident, but work smartly also at the same time. Take this and it's done. See this? Beautiful color. Take it and remove it onto this paper here. So while we now start our prepping, let's first slice the burger bun and we'll toast it in the meanwhile. We also need to make a different kind of a topping with mayonnaise for this burger. So I'm taking some mayo. Take some butter and pour it here. Okay, this is done. What we're going to do is pick up the bottom and place it here, and pick the top and keep it here. The patty is done. What I have here is green chutney, plain simple green chutney. And how do you do that? You take coriander, you take mint, you take green chili, a little bit of garlic and some ginger, and grind it to a very fine paste in a mixie, and that's how you get this green chutney. Some green chutney I'm going to mix with the mayonnaise. So what you get is chutney mayonnaise. Yeah, so this is our chutney mayo. We've got some cheese here. Cheese I'm going to place directly onto the bun. Now onto that we'll place some lettuce like this. Let's also slice some onions. And a little bit of salt. If you put over the onions, it tastes better. So some salt, and the onions go here, and we'll put some chutney mayo over here. The patty that we had made now goes in some tomato. Let's put some more of the chutney mayo here, and we'll now place the top. That's it. Serve it with some wafers, chips, whatever that you call it. And in case if you want to serve some more veggies with it, you can do that. So tomato and some lettuce. And here you go. My recipe of the perfect veg burger, especially for you. Get into your kitchen, make it, do let me know if you like it. And of course, I know you also know it well that you're supposed to like, share and subscribe.
आपको कैसी लगी ये रेसिपी? लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट ज़रूर करें।